and problem solving. Joining us to discuss the benefits is educator Anike Sakariyawo. She is also co-founder of the educational nonprofit S.E.E.K. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you? I'm excited because we get a little demo this morning. Want to talk about the importance, obviously, of having programs like this introduced at an early age.
It's extremely important because when we look at the Jeff Bezos and we look at Zuckerberg, you can see that they started at an early age to be where they are. And so when kids are exposed at an early age, especially with a familiar face, they're more than likely to go into these fields that will actually give them a better wage for living, in addition to giving them skills that they can use to change the world with technology, STEM, and/or STEAM.
You know, kids are naturally very curious, and I see this with so many children, and that curiosity needs to be nurtured and encouraged, and these are the types of programs that do exactly that.
I agree. When you have curiosity, it sparks innovation. And innovation allows us to produce all of the things you see around us, such as how we're actually speaking right now, and we're not even in the same location. So when those curiosities are sparked and they are engaged, you just never know what can be produced from that.
Anike, you've got some things in front of you. Let's see, what do you have to show us this morning?
So this morning, I'm going to show you, it's called a mini spheros. If you want to get kids started with coding, you can start off with this small little ball called a mini spheros, and as you can see, it's lit up because it is connected to a cellular device. Because we know most kids, they have cell phones.
Yes.
Back in my days, I didn't have it. And we also have the boat, which is an extensive to the mini spheros. But for the mini spheros, we're going to start with this. And what you notice is that because it's lit up, I have it connected to my phone. And so I'm just going to navigate it, not touching it, but just by my phone. If you can see here, it's moving, but I don't want it to roll off, okay? So the mini spheros, you can start this with your young kids to learn about technology, how to use the software, in addition to coding. With the coding, go ahead, I'm sorry.
No, I'm fascinated. It's so cool.
Very cool. And so with coding, there's activities, and I'm going to click on the phone because that's what I'm doing now. They offer cool programs and projects from math to history to art, where you can actually draw, and you can also collect real-time data once you advance to the boat spheros. So these are all productions from the company Spheros, in addition to adding on your own innovation. With your own innovation, you can draw, you can, whatever it is you can imagine, you can use these balls to actually ingrain technology with it to produce whatever it is that you're thinking with innovation. And so the next thing I'm going to show you is how to code with the mini spheros. And so I'm going to programs, so kids can create their own programs. And with the first program, I titled it Good Day LA. And so it's fun, right? And then with the program, I already have it started. So the kids, they use Java block script coding because that's the easiest when you're starting out coding. It gives you the signals and instructions on what you want to do. So I programmed mine to fade from a violet fuchsia color, because that's my favorite, to a blue color, and then it's going to say something very special. And so we both know that it's connected because, as I mentioned before, this is lit up, and I am going to hit start.
I am happy to be on Good Day LA.
And so I programmed it to say I am happy to be on Good Day LA because I am.
We're very happy to have you with us this morning. Real quick, where can people go to order these for their kids?
So you can order these. They're very accessible. You can order them on Amazon. Okay. You can go to the company itself as Spheros, but Amazon, you know, they move a little faster. So you can always order these on Amazon. I believe they're like $49 or $39. I believe $49, but they may be a little cheaper since they came out with these both mini spheros.
Okay.
So again, you can find these on Amazon. You can also order it through the company Sphero.
Okay, sounds good. Good idea for, the holidays coming around the corner. Really great educational toys. I love it. Anike, thanks so much for being with us this morning. Appreciate it. That was fun.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
6:27 right now.